So I'll be showing you how to find your hidden apps on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. Now, if you've hidden an app or a couple of apps, to find them, just scroll on the home pages all the way to the end until you get to the app library. Now, in the app library, scroll all the way to the bottom and you should see the last tile is called hidden. And that's where all your hidden apps are. So what you want to do is tap on that. It's going to scan your face because all the hidden apps are obviously behind an app lock. Then you'll see your hidden apps. You can even open up the tile if there are more apps and you'll see all your hidden apps. Now currently I have two, and if I want to use a hidden app, all I have to do is launch it. It's gonna scan my face again and then open that particular application. So that is basically how to find hidden apps on your iPhone 16 or iPhone 16 Pro. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below and good luck.